In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and share files with your team in Slack. Whether you're collaborating on a project, sharing important documents, or just trying to keep everyone in the loop, knowing how to efficiently upload and share files in Slack can make a world of difference. First, let's open Slack and navigate to the workspace and channel where you want to upload your file. It's important to ensure you're in the right space so that the right people can access and see the file. Once you're in the correct channel, locate the paperclip icon. This icon is your gateway to sharing all sorts of files, so go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll see a window pop up that allows you to choose where to upload your file from. Slack gives you some handy options here. You can select a file that's already saved on your computer, or you might prefer to pull it directly from a cloud service like Google Drive or Dropbox, especially if you're dealing with larger files or files that need to remain updated. Make your selection and find your file in the usual manner. After choosing your file, you'll be presented with a preview screen. This is where you can add a caption or description to your file. Adding a short note here can be incredibly helpful for providing context. For example, you could mention why you're uploading the file, highlight sections for review, or even tag relevant team members. This is your chance to communicate clearly without needing to send a separate message. Now, before you hit that upload button, take a moment to check who will have access to this file. If you're in a public channel, anyone in the workspace can see it. But if you're in a private channel, it's only visible to members of that channel. This is something to consider, particularly if the file contains sensitive or confidential information. Once you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and click Upload. Slack will upload your file, and you'll notice it appear in the conversation feed. Team members will now be able to click on the file to view or download it as needed. You'll find that sharing files this way is not only quick, but also organizes your collaborative efforts nicely, since everything is kept within the relevant context of your workspace discussions. In conclusion, file sharing in Slack is a seamless way to collaborate and keep your team informed. By following these steps, selecting the appropriate channel, choosing your upload source wisely, adding helpful context, and ensuring the right team members can access the file, you can make sure your team stays productive and your information stays organized. Give it a try and see how it enhances your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.